In this digital marketing course is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of the key strategies needed to succeed in today's fast-paced digital landscape. In this course you will learn the fundamentals of SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, content creation, email campaigns, and paid advertising. Dive into the world of analytics, where you'll master the tools and techniques to measure and optimize campaign performance in real time. Throughout the course, you'll gain hands-on experience using industry-standard platforms and techniques, equipping you with the practical knowledge to create and manage digital marketing campaigns. Whether you're a beginner looking to break into the industry or a professional seeking to sharpen your skills, this course offers valuable insights and practical applications that can immediately be put to work in real-world situations. By the end, you'll be able to drive brand awareness, increase conversions, and effectively measure ROI, return on investment, across digital channels. Get ready to unlock new opportunities and take your digital marketing career to the next level. To enroll, visit our website www.laharanalytica.com.